Guess what we're talking about today at Only News? Yes, it's the return of sport to school. Boy, haven't we missed it. And yes, not the professional stuff, that will take care of itself. We want to get back to school sport and making sure we soak up all those fantastic energies in school. We will follow all the appropriate health advice, of course, all the way to the end. But in the meantime, we are making very intensive preparations to be able to go back to a time when our students are fully active in sport in college, and therefore it's my utter privilege to hand this ball over, disinfected of course, to our head of sports programmes, Jarrad Schar, a hero in our school. Jarrad.
Thanks, Dr. Newton. Yes, we've been thinking creatively about how we can run a sports program. We've been making sure that students have a way to develop their skills, to improve their fitness, but to most importantly, feel like they're part of a team. I'd like to introduce two new faces that you might not have seen before, Sonia Roberts and Brodie Gleeson. Here's Sonia.
Thanks, Jarrad. Hi, my name's Sonia Roberts and I'm the newly appointed Head of Girls Sport. The sports that I will look after is girls netball, girls soccer, girls football, girls hockey, and I'm also organise the community sport cycling. So if you have any questions about your girls sports or cycling, please contact me. Over to you, Brodie.
Great pass, Sonia. So I'm Brodie Gleeson, the new Head of Boys Sport. The sports that I cover are basketball, football, hockey and soccer for the boys, as well as the community sport of fencing. In these unprecedented times, we are trying our best to make sure that we are delivering the best program that we can with these online sessions through Team Builder and Microsoft Teams. But don't take my word for it, take our sport captain, Ned Walter, word for it. Catch.
Thanks, Mr. Gleeson. Hi, I'm Ned Walter and I'm one of the co-captains of sport this year, and what a year it is to be sports captain. I know in these unprecedented times it's hard to be sports captain, but I think with the online teams and the trainings we are doing, there's good things to come when we get back to it. I'm sure looking forward to doing yoga and extra things during the time to catch up with sport. Here you go, Lucy.
Thanks, Ned. Hey guys, Lucy Doney, your other sport co-captain here. Thank you all for taking advantage of the online resources we do have, and I'm looking forward to seeing you guys back out on the field when we reopen.